Hello my friends, it's Emma Jo here from Lavinia Stamps, and in this video let me show you what we're going to be making. We're going to be making a card called Just Chillin' with the Flittermice. So start off with your background, and I'm going to start with Elements Ink Russet Orange and a size 9 stencil brush. We're just going to make sure that there's a variety of colour on this card. Elements Ink Sundance now, same idea. But I am making sure that the top right hand corner is predominantly yellow. Elements Ink Confetti. And a little smidge of Blue Atoll. Okay. That's my main bit of colour done. I'm going to take my spray bottle and just let the water work its magic. And for bigger blobs, just shake your bottle over the scene. I'm using a piece of kitchen towel to just dab up some of these areas, and it gives that lovely texture. Just give that a quick blast with your heat tool. Now, this is the Tangled River root corner, and I'm going to ink this up with Versafine Clair Nocturne. Taking your Dragon's Thorn, and I've gone with the smaller of the two stamps, ink that up in Versafine Clair Nocturne. And don't stamp the whole stamp, we're using this as an edge if you like, so just the edge of the stamp. We're using it like a border. Now this mini thistle is in the Forest Moss set, and it's perfect for filling this little gap. Lovely. Our last bit of stamping, I'm going to use the two smaller Flittermice. And again, we're going to do first and second generation stamping. So I'm going to start on the right hand side, because this Tangled River root has actually given us something to hang our Flittermice from. Raise your bat up a little bit and do second generation stamping just to the right of the one that you've done, and that will make it look like it's in the distance. There we go. And that's all our stamping done. Now it's time to colour. So I'm going to take my white watercolour pencil, and this will be a base for me. I'm going to go around some of these lovely circles that are in the Tangled River root corner. I'm taking a dark blue watercolour pencil from the Mondeluz Watercolour Pencil set, I'm just going to put it on its side and colour in this corner with that delicious blue. Take your aqua green Posca pen and start colouring in some of these roots. This is light pink. I'm going to add some dots to my thistle type flowers at the bottom. Take a size 3 stencil brush. We're going in with some mulberry. I'm going to build this colour up. Take your brush that you used for your russet orange. And we're just going to try and add a little bit more russet orange into that top left corner. And a little bit of confetti needs to come back over here, I think. Now I'm going to add, with my aqua green Posca pen, but we've also got to make sure that our bats can see. So I'm going to add some aqua green to the spaces for where the eyes are. And now, my friends, for the words. So let me get my Sentiment Stickers 7 collection. I've gone for the white. You can go for whichever colour you fancy. I'm going to chop this up into individual words. I just think it makes the word more interesting if you break them up and can add that little bit of originality to your design. So just chop them up into their individual words and put them on your design. Put your feet up. Let's give it a little bit of shading, so grab a darker pencil. I've gone for a grey blue, like a Payne's grey. If you want to soften this, all you need to do is take your very small watercolour brush and just add a little bit of water underneath it. Going to take a black fine liner, and all I'm doing is doing 3 dots in front and 3 dots behind each word. I'm going to use some sparkly, glittery, yellow sparkly Posca pen. And then touch of glitter. So I'm getting my Stickles golden rod. And we've got some coming down and some going up. Now the finishing touch is going to be a very light edge of dark denim. So size 3 stencil brush, darken your corners. I love this because as soon as you put this on, you can see everything just refocused right in the centre of your card. It's fab. And there we go, my friends. We've finished. Thank you very much for coming along with me and having a go at making this card. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. It's been great to have your company. You take care now and have fun, all right? See you. Bye.